Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. Hello everybody! Welcome to the Crypto Halloween, where we dive into the spookiest and most thrilling events in the crypto world. Today prepare to be bewitched by the tale of SpongBob SquarePants Fairlaunch. In depth of the cryptocurrency ocean, a new meme coins emerge unlike any other, introducing SpongBob SquarePants Fairlaunch, a token born out of love of memes and iconic SpongBob SquarePants. As you see, this is the page of the pre-sale in pink.finance. As you see now, this project is trending the night on this platform, and the pre-sale ends in 12 hours. This is why you have like less than 12 hours to benefit from this project. With the fair launch approach, every investor has an equal chance to ride the wave of fun and excitement. No pre-sales, no unfair advantage, just a pure expression of meme culture and community spirit. As I said, the countdown begins, the anticipation grows on the stroke of launch, and gates open in the flood of investor rushes in like a tidal wave. So as you see, you can find here the website, Twitter, and also Telegram. So let's begin with the website. This is the landing page of this project. It's built on Solana. You can check the Sol scan first. From here, you can also check the DEX scanner and surf, and you can check also the Telegram that we will check it. Why ride with SpongBob SquarePants cuts the wave of fun, community of wave riders, and simplicity of surf. Surfing through the waves of volatility, investors find themselves immersed in a sea of laughter and joy. Just like SpongeBob himself, they embrace the anticipated, the unpredictable currents with open arms. The tokenomic. So this is the supply until now, ownership renounced, revoked freeze, match, and metadata. Tax is 0 and passed audit successfully. So the phases of the roadmap: first one is meme, second one is vibe and hold, and third one is meme takeover. And let's check now the Twitter. So this is the Twitter verified of this project, including all the news about this project. And you can also check the Telegram from here. You can ask them there and be one of the community. But it's not just about the token. As I said, it's about the community. From Christy, this project bringing together enthusiasts from all corners of the meme universe that enjoy this project. And now, a momentous occasion approach. SpongBob SquarePants Fairlaunch is set to make a splash on L Bank. So you can check it from here, opening the floodgate to even more traders and enthusiasts. So come now, join the fun, embrace the memes, and let SpongBob SquarePants Fairlaunch take you to a thrilling adventure through the crypto ocean and benefit from the pre-sale. From here, connect your wallet and do the payment. So as you see now, it's now 7. It was 9 and now it's 7 because it's go more trending in the platform. Stay tuned for more spinning training tales from the crypto world. Until next time, don't forget to put like, comment to this video, especially comment because it helps us a lot to see if you like the project. If not, if you don't like it, tell us why. If you like it, tell us also why. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends to benefit from this pre-sale. So see you again in the next video.